All right, so this is 70 to 81 Camaro. This bracket has been unchanged since I first engineered it. These are on center. That works out really great. What I have discovered though in this time is that there's no motivation to offset the rear of the slider because the spring is close to parallel in the chassis if it isn't exactly parallel. So had a couple of people measure them and it turns out that they appear to be parallel. So there's no motivation to offset that rear spring eyelet unless you're going to try to offset the front one as well. So I could still sell you the offset body if you so desired, but I deleted the option off the website for that reason. So this is just an overview of what this is going to look like. So yeah. What I have found on the 75 and newer is that there's a bumper bracket on the chassis that kind of runs into where this bracket would overlay on the shackle pivot. Right, there's like this triangle bumper bracket thing that goes right here. So that's the bracket that's in the description that you would chop off. So one of these days when I get my hands on one again, I will make a video about it. So until then.